y'all, Lorraine here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys some new hair that I've just recently purchased off of Aliexpress. So I have the whole entire bag right here. It came via DHL. This hair is actually from a company called Beaudiva hair company, and yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what I ordered, and I'm going to be making this into a wig, and I'm probably going to be dyeing a little bit of it, like bleaching the front of it. So I'm not going to show you guys how I did it, but I'm going to show you guys the end result, and I'm going to kind of style the wig so you guys can see how it turned out and how the hair reacted to the bleach and all that kind of stuff. I kind of already opened the bundles already, so if they kind of look a little played with, it's because I already opened them. So this is the hair here. I really like the packaging of it. It looks very like simple but nice at the same time. I ordered 3 bundles of 12-inch, and then I ordered a 12-inch closure as well. I wanted to kind of do a side part bob kind of style, and I kind of wanted to do like the little streaks in the front, so that's why I ordered 12-inch. So yeah, I'm gonna open the hair just so you guys can see how it looks. So this is the first bundle here. And yeah, so this is a natural unprocessed hair. It's straight hair. Now the color is like a natural brown color. I don't know if you guys can tell. The weft size looks pretty good. Yeah, the weft size looks pretty good, as you guys can see. And I'm not getting any shedding so far from the hair. Now this hair is very affordable. I was actually very surprised. In terms of shipping, the hair did take, I want to say, about 4 or 5 days for shipping. I ordered it on a Wednesday and it came yesterday, which was a Monday. So it took about a couple days. It's on AliExpress, and it has quite a few orders that are on there. So that's why I kind of ordered it. I wanted to see how the hair was, and if you can get good quality hair for the price that I paid, because the price was very good. I'm gonna leave the link and everything like that in the description box so you guys can see the hair if you want to purchase it. If not, totally up to you. But yeah, so this is the first bundle here. It's a good size. The ends are not thin whatsoever, as you guys can see. And yeah, the hair it feels good so far. So that's the first bundle. So this is the second bundle, and I'm not getting any shedding from this one either. And the bundles are, they're not the same size. The first one was a little bit bigger. This is the last bundle here. And the ends are not thin as well. Good size. Let me see if they're all the same size. So the first bundle was the bigger one for some reason. I'm not sure why, but that's okay. The hair does feel good, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. And now I'm gonna move on to the closure. So the closure is 12-inch as well, and I just got a free part closure. So taking it out, I'm noticing that the lace is very dark. It's darker than normal. I'm used to it being a little bit lighter. In terms of the closure, I do feel like the closure is not really true to length. As you guys can see, the closure kind of looks like it's layered. Now, I don't know why. I ordered a 12-inch closure, so I feel like it shouldn't really be layered like that. I feel like it should all kind of be at one length. I do feel like the ends of it are a little bit thin, and I hope this works out because I am doing a bob and I want the front to be full. But yeah, so in terms of the lace is very dark. And I noticed as well that the closure is very big, which is a good thing. I know sometimes when I order like bundles and stuff like that, the closure is not as big as it should be. Like, it's a little bit smaller than a 4x4. But I do like the fact that this has a lot of lace on it, and it also has some baby hairs. And I like the fact that the closure is bigger than normal. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but we will see, I guess. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a wig with this unit, a side part wig. I'm not gonna record it because I don't feel like I want to make a tutorial showing how I make my wigs, just because I do make custom wigs and I do sell them, so I don't really think that makes much sense. But I am going to do the wig. I'm going to dye it and all that type of stuff. I'm gonna bleach the knots. So I'm gonna bleach the knots, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks once the knots are bleached. So here's a quick little view of how it looks before the knots are bleached. and I'm going to give you guys an update on how the hair bleached. So I'll be right back. All right, hey loves, so I am back. I just finished bleaching the closure. Now I'm satisfied so far. The closure did bleach very nicely. You guys can see now it's a little bit more of a different color. And I'll show you guys how it looks on my skin tone just so you guys can see as well. And now it's a little bit more, it's a little lighter, so I'm happy about that. Once I pluck it and do all that kind of stuff, it will look a lot better. But yeah, so the bleach, it took a while to bleach, so that is a good thing. If you guys do want to see how I bleached my closure, you guys can take a look at my other video. I did post in my other video how I bleached the knots to my closures. I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can see exactly how I do that if you guys are interested. But yeah, so in terms of this hair, I am satisfied so far. I'm going to give you guys a part 2 styling video so you guys can see how the hair ended up and how the wig turned out, and I'll do like a little bit of a straightening or a curling video so you guys can see how the hair holds up. But yeah, so that concludes the unboxing video for this hair. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will be sure to answer those for you guys. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. I also want you guys to hit that bell so you guys know exactly when I'll be posting a new video. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will be sure to see you guys in my next one.